Good afternoon, students. How are you? Today we will discuss about what equation of line parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. All of you know how can represent coordinates in Cartesian plane like this. You know 2, 3. Usually you can represent, you can draw like this. This is your first quadrant. Both are positive, definitely lying in first quadrant. This is second, this is third, and this is fourth. And this lying in first quadrant, lying in this part. Actual here, so this is 1, this is 2. 1, 2, 3. So this is lying where? This is lying here. So 2 and 3. So you also know, like this point 2, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, continue like this, n0 where n is a real number. All are lying on a Cartesian plane, and these all, look one time, y coordinate is 0 fold. It's meaning all these lying on x-axis. All these lying on the x-axis. So next question is this: how can write the equation of the coordinates which lying on the x-axis? What is this? This is the distance from where? Distance from the y-axis. So what you can say? Equation of x-axis is what? X-axis is what? Which you can say y equal to what you can say? 0. Understood? And what's the equation of y-axis? X is equal to 0. In this form you can write. And if anybody is saying represent this is a linear equation in one variable. And if anybody say express this linear equation, how many solution of it? Only one solution of it. What's the value of y? 0. We can express this if in this form 0 into x plus y is equal to 0. Yes or no? Then how can you express it? How many solution of it? There are so many. How many solution? Infinite solution. What are? Like this: 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, continue like this, n0. N is a real number. All are the solution of it. So if in one variable it's only one solution, if in two variables how many solution? Infinite solution. Similarly, it's also a linear equation. Linear equation in one variable. And which is the variable here? X is the variable here. If anybody is saying express this linear equation in one variable into two variable, so you can write x plus 0 into y is equal to 0. So it's how many solution? Again it's also infinite solution. And how many solution of it? Unique solution. Its solution are what? What you can say its solution? 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, continue like this. 0, and here n is a real number. or its solution. Understood this or not understood? Easily understood. And one more question is here, you can say one more topic given in this chapter, graph of a linear equation in one variable and graph of a linear equation in two variable. Like this example number which given, 9 given. Example number 9 in your book given, solve the equation, which equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 and represent the solution first on number line, second on the Cartesian plane. So this you can check one time. So 2x minus x is equal to minus 3 minus 1, it's meaning x equal to minus 4. Understood? So first part I am telling how can represent in a number line. You know this is the 0. Right side of the 0, you know positive numbers 3, 4, and in this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So this number line where? This. Second, in Cartesian plane, to show in Cartesian plane you need what? You need two coordinates. X-axis is given, y also needs. So express this in the form of, how can you express? Into linear equation into variable. You can write x plus 0 into y equal to what? Minus 4. Minus 4. Then you can take value of what? Value you can take. Whose value you can take? Y. What's the value of x? y0. y0, x minus 4, 1 minus 4, 2 minus 4. You don't understand, put here. If y equal to 1, what's its meaning? X plus 0 into 1 equal to minus 4, x plus 0 equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 4. Any value you can put with multiply with 0, it becomes 0. So minus 1, minus 4. So it's remain as it is. And how can you express this? This is like this. So what is this? So this is x equal to minus 4. Its meaning its equation is parallel to this. Here is 1, 2, 3, and what is this? 4. Understood? Here is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here is what? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is what? Y-axis, and this is x-axis. When y is equal to 0, what's the value of x? Minus 4. When the value of y equal to 1, what's the value of x? 4. 2, then also 4. 3, then also 4. 4, then also 4. Minus 1, then also minus 4. So what's become? X is equal to minus 4. Understood? So what's become? It's parallel to x-axis. This distance remains same. This distance remains same. Understood? So now exercise given to you. First question given a geometrical representation of equation in one variable and two variable. So y equal to 3. Easily you can represent this one number line. This is y-axis. This is 0, 1, 2, and this is 3. Understood or not? In two variable, this you can write 0 into x plus y equal to 3. This is two variable. It's only one solution. It's how many solution? Infinite solution. Similarly, second also given question number 2. Exercise 4.4. Give the geometrical representation. It's meaning geometrical representation meaning you have to draw what? Graph of it. So it's given 2x plus 9 equal to 0. In first case it's become one variable, 2x plus 9 equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 9, x is equal to minus 9 by 2. So x is equal to minus 4 into 1 by 2. It's meaning negative side of the 0. In the left hand side of the 0. Minus 4 and then half. So it's lying between where? Minus 4 and minus 5. Then express this in the two variable. How can you express? 2x is equal to 9 is given. So this you can write 2x plus 0 into y equal to what? Sorry, minus 9 coming here. Minus 9. 2x plus 0 into y equal to minus 9. Then make a table and draw the graph of it. So again this is parallel to which axis? Y axis. So you can solve this, only this given, this exercise solve in rough notebook 4.3 in your rough notebook, and 4.4 in your 4.4 plus these example in your rough notebook. Try to understand. If anywhere problem, discuss with me. In the next lecture we can start next chapter, or we can take test also. So be ready. Thank you.